In production, it's common to have different artists or departments working on different elements of a Katana scene. For example, one artist would bring in the geometry and set up cameras, while another artist would create and assign materials, and another artist would set up the lighting. Using LiveGroups makes it really easy for artists to work on the same scene in parallel. In this example, we can imagine that one artist is working on importing the assets, shot setup with multiple cameras, and applying some transformations, all within a template scene assembly Katana script, where there are temporary materials, lights, and render nodes. And another artist is going to be working on creating and assigning the materials in a separate Katana script by referencing the scene setup through a live group. Now, only the scene setup part of this node graph needs to be passed to another artist, but it's common practice for each artist to work on their own scene, complete with the temporary lights and materials. By using live groups, both artists will be able to work in separate Katana scripts on the relevant sections of their node graph at the same time. So let's imagine we've finished setting up our geometry and cameras, and now we're ready to gather these nodes into a live group and pass this on to another artist or department. So first I need to create the live group, and there's a couple ways to do this. We can create a live group like we'd create any other node by pressing Tab and finding the live group node. And from here we can right click and choose Edit Contents to be able to start building or copying and pasting your node network inside. But as I've already created the node network for assembling the scene, I can highlight these nodes, hit G on the keyboard to make a group, and then right click and choose Convert to Live Group. Now the symbol on the left of the node will change to show that it is a live group. It will be yellow as the contents is unlocked, meaning that I can jump in and make changes to the nodes inside. And it also has an asterisk to show that changes have been made since it was last saved out to disk. Now, this is a brand new live group, so it hasn't been saved out at all yet. So I'll do that now by right-clicking and choosing either Publish or Publish and Finish Editing Contents. These options both save the live group to disk, but if you choose just Publish, the live group will remain unlocked after publishing, so you can continue making changes, whereas Publish and Finish Editing Contents locks the node after publishing. So choose one, and this will bring up a dialog where you can navigate to your chosen location. Type the file name and publish the live group. Once it's published, if you chose to Publish and Finish Editing Contents, then the symbol on the left will turn grey to indicate that it's locked and can no longer be edited. This is to avoid you or anyone else accidentally making changes. Another way of making a live group is to simply import a Katana project into another Katana scene as a live group. When using this workflow, the import looks for the first group or group-like node in the scene, so you would need to keep the nodes in a group and then save the project file. However, the preferred workflow is to save and version as a .livegroup file. So that's the method I'll be continuing with. In the next video, I'll show you how to import this live group into another project.